Alright, YouTube, long time no see. Welcome back, welcome back. So, been off to college, blew the Supra before I went to college. Actually, I think this channel hasn't even seen the Supra, so. But yeah, so I spun a bearing not too long after graduation, which is really unfortunate. I was gonna take the car with me to college. Fortunately, I couldn't because rebuilding a motor costs a lot of money, and I was doing track my freshman year, so I didn't have the time or the money to get it fixed. So this year, we're gonna go ahead and get that done, but I'm a little under the weather, so I called in sick to my job. I was browsing through the Junkyard, like website, and I found a Honda Accord with a whole turbo kit. I'm gonna look to see if I can get the blow-off valve or the wastegate and see if I can take those off, and I don't know. All right, so we made it to the junkyard. There's actually a lot of people here, but hopefully we can get what we need to and it isn't taken. The car was just thrown on a lot yesterday, so hopefully we can get it. It's only one way to find out, so let's get in there and check it out. So we made it to the car. Found it. This thing's pretty clean. I didn't record walking through the junkyard because I couldn't find the car at first. But looking at it, it's an automatic. The interior is actually pretty clean. But yeah, we'll go ahead, pop the hood, and I'll flip the camera and show you guys. So it's got for the thumbnail. Oh, or should we do the other side? Should we do the other side? Other side headlight. Dude, okay, so this thing has side skirts. Looks like it's got aftermarket, or they just painted these, but it's got good brake pads, Godspeed Mono SS coilovers. I'm not seeing anything good in the trunk. We just did have like a really fucked up. It's got the whole bumper and everything too. It's all fucked up. The interior of this thing's actually really clean. 4 cards. It is an auto trans, but it's got aftermarket gauges. Dude, this thing's clean. Here we go. Might have scored us some free tabs. Dude, even the fenders and shit. Let's see what brand turbo this is. If this is a good brand turbo, I might take it. Looks no name though. But even vibrant things. But what we're here for today is the blow-off valve, probably this stuff. And I'll be honest with you, man, I ain't gonna lie, I might take a couple of these clamps. Yeah, and this looks like it's either for an aftermarket ECU. Let's see. It's even got, man, bro. I'm just fucking around at this point. Small intercooler. Nothing special, just jack in the box, a couple light bulbs. Yeah, somebody definitely came in here and ripped out the ECU. For an Accord, this thing's actually pretty clean. Even the back seats are hella clean. All right, so unfortunately, the only thing I grabbed was these bad boys. So we're gonna have to make do with what we got. So there we go. Blow-off valve is out. Never heard of this brand, but you know what? We'll see. So. All right. There's one. Don't know what brand these are, but you know what? It's better than what I got now. So let's go ahead and get started on these ones, and and these ones. I'll be back when they're all off. But yeah, this turbo spins freely, like 100% freely, and there's no play. I don't know, it looks no name, I can't tell. Yep, anyways. Thank you. Alright, check this thing out. Look at this. Oh, with money. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. It's a Nissan. Check it out. Man, if only the video could like describe the smell in this thing. Check that out. 7,000 miles on this thing. That doesn't even sound right. Alright. One sec. Check this thing out, guys. Man, so simple. Cool piece of history. This would be an awesome project car if you had like the space and money for it. What year this Land Rover is from? 1991 Honda Prelude. But I don't think we're gonna dig too much into looking into that one, but pretty cool find. Okay. Oh shit, here we go. Here's a Prelude Type S. Type SH Prelude. I don't know. It's gonna have exhaust. Here's the radio sitting in the back seat. That's funny. Non-cracked dash. Gauges are gone. Seats are pretty clean. Anything is under the hood? Nope, nothing under the hood. To be honest with you, I honestly probably could drive one of these. These are kind of nice, but it'd have to be a manual for sure. They was trying to say $300 for this. Nah, I'm just playing. It was like 24 bucks. So that should wrap everything up. I mean, I did take the time to clean it up, polish up the piping a little bit, and a little bit of the, you know, just to make things a little look nicer. I did do a little bit of research, so unfortunately, this is kind of like an eBay blow-off valve, but I want to say it's HKS flange on this pipe, so I might be able to just keep the pipe, get rid of the blow-off valve, or at least try it out eventually. But, you know, with the Junkyard, you know, you see some, you don't know what it is through the pictures. And it's just kind of like, well, shoot, I got to get it before somebody else gets it. But, yeah, that should be it. I'll keep you posted. And we'll, hopefully the next time you see me, we'll be picking up a new motor for the Supra. So